Hey everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so be sure to subscribe if that's what you're interested in. So in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to create an online store using Teespring. So without further ado guys, let's jump into this tutorial. The screen is teespring.com, so the first thing you want to do is go to Start Creating on the top right. Click that. Then what you want to do is obviously enter your name or brand name, so I'm just going to enter Leon Online Store. Shop then. Online shop. Enter my email. I guess. I mean, I don't really. I mean, I don't care. You can overtake it if you want. It's not. Then you want to click I'm not a robot. Then just click sign up. There we are. So this is what we're going to do with now. Getting started. Name your store. If I'm correct, that's what I just did. Well, technically I entered my name, but there we are. Leon's Online Store. Skip. Whoa. Let it load in. And as you can see, you've got a huge variety of products you can choose from. So you can use pint glass, classic pullover hoodie, stick